Hello, you're welcome to my Yoruba class. Today, let's look at this very interesting topic. Asking how many or how many times in Yoruba. How many is mélòó, mélòó. For instance, you want to say how many books. That's ìwé mélòó. That's Yoruba people literally saying book how many. Ìwé mélòó. You want to answer by saying two books. You're going to say ìwé méjì. This is also literally book two. If you want to say how many times, that's mélòó, mélòó. For instance, how many times did Shola eat yesterday? You want to say how many times did Shola eat yesterday? You're going to say mélòó ni Shola jẹun lánàá? Mélòó ni Shola jẹun lánàá? And then these are your possible answers. If you want to say once, twice, thrice, four times, and on like that. What we are doing there is just adding to our number counts in Yoruba. Kan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin. So once is kan, twice, méjì, thrice, mẹ́ta, four times, mẹ́rin. Five times is going to be márùn. It goes on and on like that.